everyone, I'm Chris Davis with the New Miracles Training Center. And this training session is basic phone operation with the 3CX phone system using a GrandStream phone. Now the phone we're using in this demo is a GrandStream 2100. This is the most common phone that we sell. We have a lot of these phones out there. They're really good, really reliable phones. We love them, the users love them, and that's one of the reasons it's the highest selling phone that we have. Now, to go over the basic usage of the phone, the first thing you really need to understand is this is a handset. There's some phones that come with the headset. The headset is the thing that kind of goes over your head, which is where it gets the name headset. And depending on how you're placing the call will determine what you do. We also have a speakerphone feature. And just to let you hear it, press the speakerphone button right here. Voila, dial tone, dial your number. Or what we like to do is, because this phone is nothing more than a computer, which gives you the option to backspace, so if you misdial a number, guess what? You can kind of recover that. So I'm going to dial the office number, and because I'm in the local area code, I just dial 350-0500. Now, if I wanted to dial that using the handset for privacy, I pick the handset up. Hello? Yes? Yeah, just doing a test. Thank you. Have a blessed day. All right. There you are. You placed your first call. Not very different from an analog phone. Really, VoIP is not different other than the way it carries the signal. So next I'm going to place a speakerphone call. Press speakerphone. And I'm putting on speakerphone just so you can hear this for the purposes of the demonstration. I'm calling my wife, you know. I figured she wouldn't mind doing this demo.
Hello?
Hey babe, how you doing?
Hey babe, doing great.
That's good. I'm just doing a demo of the phone system. So say hi to everyone.
Hello everyone.
As you see, it's just that easy to place a call. I'm using the speakerphone, as you see my body position from the speakerphone, she can hear me very clearly. So the speakerphone is a very powerful, loud speakerphone. It has a volume knob where you can turn it down or up. And just remember, if you're in an office where privacy is an issue, do not use the speakerphone. It's very loud and powerful. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you all right.
All right. Okay, I want you to call the office and dial extension 105.
Okay.
The next topic we're going to cover is answering a phone call. So let's say somebody comes in, and I'm expecting the phone to ring any minute now. All right, now I'm going to answer the phone. Chris Davis speaking. Can I help you?
Hi there.
Hey, babe, how you doing?
I'm wonderful, thank you. What are you doing?
Well, we're doing a phone system demo, and you called in at the right time. Well,
All right.
there you have it, folks. It's just that easy. I just answered the phone by simply pressing the speakerphone button, or I could pick up the handset. Hey, can you hear me? Even though this is not Verizon, she can hear me right now. And that's the power of voice over IP. It uses the internet for regular communications. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back to the speakerphone by just simply hitting the speakerphone button. Hanging the handset up. Can you hear me?
I can hear you clear.
All right, now what I'm going to demonstrate is putting her on hold for just a second. Now remember, on voice over IP, when you place someone on hold, only you can pick that call up. If you place them in a shared park, then anyone in the office can pick it up. So babe, can you hold just a second?
Sure.
Now at this time, what she's hearing is whatever music you decide. Now the phone system comes with the predefined music, but we can put any music that you want. Make sure that music is licensed for your organization, not just somebody's music that you stole off the internet, because we don't recommend that. But make sure you have that licensed music, or if it's maybe a CD that you purchased, and that music can be loaded onto your phone system, and so whenever you place somebody on hold, they hear that music. Or that hold could also be advertisement for your company. Now to take them off hold, you press the line button. Did you hear music?
I didn't hear the music, yes. Mm-hmm.
All right, and there we go. She was able to hear the music while she's on hold. So as I said, it could be hold music, it could be advertisement for your company, whatever you want to put as your hold music. This is a great advertising tool for companies to let people know what products and services that you offer while they're on hold. That way you get the most out of your phone system. Now I'm going to transfer her to my cell phone. And this is a very simple thing to do. If you have the 3CX app on your phone, you can do it, and or you can just do a simple transfer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit transfer. All right, you can hold just a second. I hit transfer and then I dial the number. You'll notice my cell phone's going to ring in a second. I forgot to hit send. So it's transfer, dial the number, and then send. And as you see, my beautiful wife. Hey, babe. And as you guys can hear, it looks like she dialed my cell phone from her cell phone. However, this was transferred through the 3CX phone system. If you purchase a system from New Miracles, what we do, we have two options, is we can have it show that it transferred from your office and or it transferred directly from the person's cell phone. So if you're transferring it to a salesperson on the road or someone, they will know who that call is coming from. Very powerful feature. All right, I'm going to thank her for being a part of this demonstration. Babe, I'd like to thank you, and I love you so much. Y'all, she's beautiful, ain't she? Y'all see the picture?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, thanks,
Bye-bye.
baby. Love you. Shalom.
Love you. Bye-bye.
The next topic we're going to cover is checking voicemail. Now, to do this, there's multiple ways to check voicemail from a 3CX phone system. One way is the 3CX phone system will send your voicemail to your email. We have two different options when that happens. We can send it to your email where you can check it on your email device, and it will either stay on the phone system if that's what you tell us to program it to, or it can be deleted once it's emailed. That's totally your choice. Just let us know when we're programming the phone system for you. If you've chosen to, like some people, where you have the voicemail that gets emailed to you, so while you're out, you check it. When you get back to the office, if you want to keep that voicemail, you can keep it and or delete it. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go into checking voicemail using the phone. Voicemail from the phone, basically you hit the voicemail button. It's going to ask you for your 4-digit PIN. And at that point, you can listen to your voicemail. Now, one of the things I recommend is to check your voicemail using, you ready? Your computer. That's one of the powerful things about VoIP. Voicemail can be emailed to you. If you have the 3CX phone app, you can check your voicemail using your phone app. There are multiple different things you can do using with the 3CX voice over IP phone system. So having to come to the office and check voicemail on the phone is really a thing of the past. But we still have that option just by pressing this one button, entering your 4-digit or 6-digit PIN number. And that PIN number is defined by you on the questionnaire that was asked before we programmed the phone system. Now, if the PIN was automatically generated for you and you don't like it, just let us know. We'll change it. We always ask that it be a number that you can remember. A lot of people use their birthday, child's birthday, or just some 4- to 6-digit combination of numbers. That ends our section on checking voicemail. We'll go more in depth on voicemail in the 3CX My Phone demonstration. Next topic we're going to cover is the intercom feature. If you want to intercom somebody in your company, the easiest way to do it is using the My Phone, which will be covered in the next training session. But if you want to do it using the phone, you dial *9 and then their extension number. Speakerphone, you'll hear it dial, and the feedback you're hearing is the phone in the other office is on intercom. Now, this is common if you want to intercom somebody to see if they're available, or you want to send a page to that person in their office. Then we have the whole office intercom system, provided your company purchased that. And if so, you just hit the intercom button and say whatever you'd like to say. Now, I do recommend using the handset or a headset when using the intercom, especially if it goes through the PA system, because you don't want to get feedback in the system. These phones are very, very sensitive as far as a speakerphone, and that function, like I said, make sure if you're doing an intercom and you have an overhead intercom system, you do it from either the handset or a headset. All right, and there you have it. So now we've gone through a couple of the basic operations of the phone. Answering the phone, we've gone through a couple of the basic operations of the phone. Placing a call, answering the phone, putting someone on hold, taking them off hold, and transferring the call, whether it be to an internal or external number. Thank you for attending the Basic Phone Operation Training by Numericals. God bless you.